as you can hear right now. Those are the fireworks in downtown Sacramento. Oh, this one around here. That was a surprise. With other fireworks here in the distance, that's in downtown Sacramento, the 12 o'clock show. Happy New Year's, everybody. There you go. One of them. There goes the flash in the sky. You can kind of see them over there. Everybody's starting to pop off their fireworks now. This is where I was when I was filming the June 1st thunderstorm. My window. "2012 finally." They say the world's gonna end December 21st. I don't believe it though. Nobody knows when the world is gonna end. Okay, I'll come back when I start to hear a grand finale.